Okay, we're in Boston. So I go get my food, put it, for after the show. There's a whole cookie stash, so I see, oh, a cute little cookie. So I go grab a nice little cookie. I put it in my mouth, take a big bite. I start eating it. I'm like, I don't know. And I spit it out. Well, somehow amongst the chocolate chip cookies, somebody decided to sprinkle pot cookies. So there is pot. These are full-blown pot cookies, and I am so lucky that I didn't swallow any, because it would have been an amazing show. You guys would have seen Anthony on Fuego. So anyways, pot cookie in the trash. How many were there? There was a lot. There had to be like, and they're teeny, they're small. There had to be like a dozen on there, but there was probably 3 dozen chocolate chip cookies and sugar cookies, and then these little teeny ones. So whoever made them definitely put them in there, or employees, somebody made them and stuck them on the tray, just thought it would be funny. Hey, Keith's got more of them. Hot cookies. Yeah, this dude's just like a little... Dude. That would have been Spaceballs, dude. Space Adventures with Anthony on drums. These are full-blown pot cookies, and I am so lucky that I didn't swallow any.